This video shows you how to make a template post for Blogger. So we need to log into Blogger at www.blogger.com and find the blog that we're going to make this template post on. Remember, we can go to posts or we can press the new post button to get our post ready. So I'm just going to title this post with our statistics template. And I'm going to schedule this post into 2099. And I'll show you why I've done that a bit later. So this post is going to be one that we do every day, and it's going to be about the weather. This is for our younger learners. So I'm just going to add a whole lot of weather clip out pictures that I've found to the post. And I've just uploaded those from my computer. So I'm adding all of those to the blog post, and I can play around with the sizes of them. And I'm just going to delete a few spaces so that they all sit near the top of the blog post, and they're a bit easier for the children to manage. And then once I'm happy with those clip art pictures, I'm going to add my text that we're going to use for this post each day. So we're going to talk about what the weather is, and we're just going to use those pictures to help us explain that. And we're also going to add in there how many children are in the classroom that day, how many children are away, how many boys there are, and how many girls there are. So really simple statistics for that the children, our young learners, can edit themselves. So then I'm going to publish that post to the blog, and you'll notice that it sits right up the top of all the posts once it's been published, and that it's got this little orange word here called scheduled. So that means it's not actually live on the blog at all. And remember, we scheduled it into 2099, so it's not going to be live anytime soon. And if I randomly create another post and I save that as a draft, you'll notice that that goes underneath my template post that I published because of the dates. So that template post that I published is always going to end up at the top of my list, so it's really easy for the children to find. So let's go and back into that template post, and we're just going to Control A or Command A. So we're going to select everything that's in that post and go back into that other dummy post I made and paste all of that information. And then I'm going to edit it so I can post today's statistics. So I'm just going to edit for the weather, what I think the weather looks like today. And of course the children can add to this. I'm going to add how many people are here, how many people are away, how many boys we've got, how many girls we've got. And I'm also going to add some labels. So I'm going to add the statistics label so I can always find all of these posts. I'm going to add the Wednesday label as well, because we can do some comparing and contrasting with all the Wednesdays that we post. And I'm going to delete the pictures that aren't relevant for today, just by clicking on them and then pressing that remove link. And I'm just going to increase the size of this cold one as well. And then I'm going to publish my post. If I have a look at that post on my blog, here are my statistics for Wednesday.